Love is always being with each other, no? Choosing each other.
What does unconditional love look like as a fur parent?
Even pag hindi sila mukhang lovable, they don't look their best. Give them your 100%. And you love them no matter their background or kung saan sila galing.
Yung pagpili mo kasi doon sa partner mo, yun yung mahalaga. At the same time, dahil meron kami mga dogs, yun yung nagpo-fuel, nagdadagdag ng saya. Yung ingredients of love doon sa family.
Ay talagang mauubos ka neto sa lambing neto. So, hindi siya mapapalitan ng kahit sino. So, parang ikaw yung hahanap-hanapin niya.
Kung ano man yung meron yung dogs natin, like makulit sila, mabait sila, sila na yun eh. So, you just accept them for you.
Sorry!